The WEN Rotary Hammer Kit RH1042 is equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor, making it a robust tool for breaking through concrete effortlessly. This rotary hammer offers variable speed options ranging from 500 to 900 revolutions per minute and 2,300 to 4,300 beats per minute, allowing you to adjust according to your specific task needs. With its SDS Plus quick change shank, the tool ensures universal compatibility with industry-standard bits, enhancing its versatility. The adjustable 360-degree auxiliary handle provides maximum comfort and control during operation, making it user-friendly for extended use. This kit includes 3 drill bits, 2 chisel bits, and a durable hard-shelled carrying case, making it a comprehensive package for various drilling tasks. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty and a reliable customer support system, ensuring peace of mind and long-term satisfaction with your purchase.